Welcome to the JWK show. We talk about crypto and we keep things short and concise. We have a new video from Circle CEO Jeremy Allaire dropping a Ripple and Circle bombshell talking about the future financial system, CBDCs, central banks, and so on. He says, no government can compete with the free market. It's impossible. If you want innovation in monetary systems, you need private sector innovation, and therefore companies like Circle and Ripple. So central banks aren't making the new technology for the financial system. Companies like Ripple and Circle are. So we will see central banks working with Ripple and Circle using their technology for the new coming financial system, which are incorporating blockchain, cryptocurrencies, digital assets, and so on. So central banks will be using USDC and the XRP ledger and XRP. Instead of the central banks making the technology themselves, they will instead be issuing the digital currencies, storing the currencies, and setting interest rate policies. So with Ripple and Circle working with central banks, government entities, and so on, we will see Ripple and Circle at the forefront of the crypto market, becoming the biggest crypto companies in the world and becoming a blue chip company as well. We have Christine Lagarde dropping a Ripple and Circle bombshell as well after meeting up with Michael Barr, who was a former Ripple member, who is now the vice chair for supervision of the board of governors of the Federal Reserve System. He is in charge of the FedNow system. We have Lagarde described Ripple as a business model that inspires confidence. So Christine Lagarde, who is the head of the ECB and one of the people in charge of the financial system, bullish on Ripple and XRP. This is massive stuff. And with the digital euro on the horizon, we had the ECB already integrating the XRP ledger on their payment system tip. So we have the European Central Bank in Europe using XRP for payments. The upcoming digital euro could run on XRP. Let's take a look at this video.
Who survive, but it will be between those who are cannibalized because they're not seeing it coming and they're not embracing it, and those who self-induce that cannibalization.
Banks who don't adopt digital assets, cryptocurrencies, blockchain will fall behind the other banks and eventually be consumed, bought out by the other banks, the bigger banks.
And I'm using cannibalization on purpose because it's a bit of a striking, horrible word. But it's really what it means. It's you're going to disrupt your business model, you're going to change it, you're going to reduce your costs, you're going to expedite your transactions, and you're going to continue to inspire confidence because you will build that on the basis of an existing backbone, which is your bank and the confidence relationship that you've established with your customers. So that's where I see changes happening now. If you think of Circle and Ripples and all those, that's where they are active.
Right, Circles and Ripples, this is all possible with XRP. Lagarde is very bullish on these two companies. Again, the 1% have chosen both Ripple and Circle. And not only is the tip system using XRP, we also have Ripple replacing Swift and Swift using XRP. We had the future of insurance on page 193, which is also 13. 9 plus 1 plus 3 is 13. And it says, consider R3 and Ripple two examples of developing world disruption impacting developed world businesses. In both cases, these companies are using blockchain to replace the SWIFT network, the standard protocol overseeing the international banking transactions. So with Ripple replacing SWIFT, Ripple XRP will become the standard protocol and all banks globally using XRP for their transactions. Guys, this is just absolutely insane, ginormous for XRP and the XRP price. And this is happening as we have the Swift website and system down. Their real-time gross settlement system was affected by the global outage. However, XRP and the XRP ledger were not affected. Guys, this is the power of blockchain technology. Circle also has the 13 number we have in their x.com bio, their NMLS ID number, and that is 1201441. Add all these numbers up, and we have the number 13. The 1% love to use the 13 number. We have more connections with Visa and XRP through Coinbase. Users can spend their own Bitcoin, Ether, and XRP anywhere Visa is accepted. Cryptocurrency payments are becoming mainstream, which is great to see as this is a big use case. And the more value XRP handles, the more transactions, the higher the XRP price. So this is very bullish. The more people that use XRP for payments, again, the higher the XRP price. And lastly, we have the HKMA unveiling their plans for stablecoin regulations, the Hong Kong Monetary Authority. The HKMA and Financial Services and Treasury Bureau, FSTB, have released a response to a stablecoin consultation incorporating feedback from over 100 stakeholders, including Ripple, Binance, and Circle. And the new regulatory regime will focus on fiat reference stablecoins, FRS, and requires issuers to meet stringent licensing prerequisites, including full reserve backing and compliance with AML CFT requirements. So stablecoins must be backed one-to-one, which means that USDT Tether is not compliant with the new regulatory regime, which is a major problem as the governmental organizations will go after Tether and shut them down, Tether collapsing and going to zero. So luckily with Ripple being part of the 100 stakeholders, we should see the upcoming RLUSD compliant with the new stablecoin regulations. Aims to position Hong Kong as a leader in the cryptocurrency innovation within the APAC region. That's it for the video. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next one.